nurture videos. In this video, we will discuss about phases of business process re-engineering.
At the end of this video, you will be able to explain about phases of BPR, understand how MIS and ERP balance each other to support management, measure how EIS supports information and to take decision. Business process re-engineering is the fundamental rethinking and radical redesign of business processes to achieve dramatic improvements in critical, contemporary measures of performance. BPR program involves redesign of business process, employs information technology as an enabler of new business processes, has tendency of interfunctional in its efforts.
There are 7 phases for implementation of BPR. They are: begin organization change, build the re-engineering organization, identify BPR opportunities, understand the existing process, re-engineer the process, blueprint the new business system, and perform the transformation. Let's understand each phase in detail. It is the duty of the employees, stakeholders, and customers to understand if there is any need for change by considering the aspects of: is the organization left behind from customers? Are the demands of the marketplace shifting? To build re-engineering organization, we need to identify a specialist who can assist teams by methods and techniques to form an infrastructure. To identify potential changes, enablers, and the core process boundaries of strategy, development, customer support, etc. Estimate the existing business strategies and determine the performance objectives of the new process by combining customer needs with competitor benchmarks. To redesign a process, it's better to understand existing process. To understand about the process, we need to have a clear idea of organization structure, estimate how information and technology are used, know about the existing steps performed and the way it is carried out. To re-engineer a process, know about the existing process to develop a suitable way for new process. New process ideas can be created using BPR principles. Before taking any decision, client view is important for taking decisions. Blueprint of a process includes new workflow, process model for information, documentation of organization structure, the technology specifications to support the process. For transformation of a process, develop a migration strategy and create action plan. Define metrics of quantitative analysis for measuring performance. Create an organizational structure. Map new tasks for staff to identify the skill gaps. Training should be given to the staff about new processes and technology to reallocate the workflow. Management Information System (MIS) is a system which converts data from internal and external resources into information and communicate in an appropriate form. There are 5 types of management systems. Let's understand each type in detail. Accounting MIS is the type of MIS in which reports of accounting are shared and viewed by accounting managers of all levels in accounting management. Financial MIS is a report with information of past and current finance which is shared with all managers and analyzed by Chief Financial Officer. Manufacturing MIS is more profitable for the production department. It helps not to spend more amounts on warehousing huge investors. Marketing MIS supports activities of product development, distribution, pricing decision, promotional effectiveness, and sales forecasting. Marketing systems depends mostly on external sources of data. Human resource MIS is concerned with activities related to workers, managers, and other individuals that are employed by the organization. Same as MIS, Executive Information System EIS also takes information from internal and external source only which supports for taking decisions. EIS integrates to support GUI. Let's understand in detail. Hardware requirements are Central Processing Unit or CPU and data storage devices. EIS products for networked workstations require less expensive computer hardware. Software requirements of EIS are text handling hardware, graphic base, model base. Important components of EIS is user interface, interfaces like scheduled reports, question answers, menu driven, command language, and input or output are structures of EIS. For creating a network, transferring data from one place to another has become crucial for companies. It manages and provides access for the data.
Let's have a quick recap on what we discussed. BPR makes the employees to learn about new technologies. Business process re-engineering helps an organization to redesign. EIS and MIS take information from internal and external sources. Thank you for watching this video.